Hi guys, let's unbox and review popular Hisense A6 dual screen smartphone. I make a video only for my company B2B business. My company supports small order and small business also. We accept sample order from 1 pieces. We can make it global sending. We have almost 10 years of global sending and international trading experience since 2010. We can deliver Hisense A6 dual screen smartphones to your forwarder address in Shenzhen, Guangzhou or other city in China. Hisense A6 is a dual screen smartphone. Aluminum frame. It's from embedded glasses, a 5th generation Corning Gorilla glasses. And it's from display is 6.01 inch. Samsung analog display. 402 ppi density. Resolution is 2160 pixels by 1080 pixels. 2.5D curve. 5th generation Corning Gorilla glass. And its secondary display is 5.61 inch e-ink display. Resolution is 1440 pixels by 720 pixels. 2.5D curve. 5th generation Corning Gorilla glass. Its CPU is Qualcomm Snapdragon 660 octa-core, 2.2 GHz, 6 GB RAM, 128 GB ROM. Supports memory card up to 256 GB by memory card. The battery built-in is 3300 mAh battery built-in. Supports quick charge 3.0 charging, and it supports OTG function. It have 2 cameras. This main camera is 12 megapixel, but with Samsung 2PD function can up to 24 megapixel. f1.8 picture. And its front camera is 16 megapixel. f2.0 aperture. With big LED flashlight. Here is fingerprint sensor, power on off button. Its operating system is Android 8.1 Oreo operating system. Now let me show you the 12 megapixel camera. We can see the details super clearly. 。 . 。 。 . 。 .
。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 。 。 。 。 . 。 。 。 。 。 。 。 。 。 。 。 。 。 。 。 。 。 。 。 。 。 。 。 。
Here is fingerprint sensor, power on off button. Its operating system is Android 8.1 Oreo operating system. Now let me show you the 12 megapixel camera. We can see the details super clearly. I read it. Now let me test the e-ink display. Here's the e-ink display button. Okay, now let's have a look. The SIM card slot. It supports dual nano SIM card, or 1 nano SIM card and 1 micro SD card. Fingerprint sensor. Face unlock. Face ID. And supports glove model. Operating system is Android 8.1 Oreo operating system. Okay, let's continue to check what included in the color box. Here's the color box. 1 piece Type-C USB cable. 1 piece Type-C headphone. 1 piece eject pen. 1 piece charger. 9V 2A 18W charger. We will send 1 piece Euro converter to get it free. One piece manual. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please like us in Facebook and Instagram pages.